When we try to install any app or game from the App Store, it usually asks for a passcode. Now, how about installing apps and games without an Apple ID passcode? Now, want to install anything without a passcode? Here are 2 strategies you need to follow. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off Waze asking passcode option. Open Setting, tap Apple ID, tap Media and Purchases. Tap Passcode Setting. First choose Require after 15 minutes. Turn on Require a password. Tap Done. Method 2. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Face ID and Passcode. Tap iPhone Unlock. Now set up your Face ID first. Enter your Apple ID password if it's prompt. After this, enable all the settings from here. Now you're almost ready. Open your App Store. Now try to install any apps. Most time this will give you this. Double click to install to confirm it. You need to press your power button twice. But if this asks you to enter your Apple password, don't worry. Just enter this for the last time. Once you enter, this will no longer ask you Apple ID password. After this, every time you install apps, you need to press the power button twice and show your Face ID, and your app will be installed. Now, if you still have anything to ask about this topic, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.